Need to fill out and sign a PDF document electronically? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fill and sign documents in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC quickly and easily. Follow along and you'll have your document completed and signed in just a few minutes. First, open your document in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once the file is open, go to the Tools menu and select Fill and Sign. This tool allows you to add text, check marks, initials, signatures, and other information directly into your PDF. To fill out the document, simply click on any field where information is required and begin typing. You can adjust the size and placement of the text as needed. If you need to add a signature, click the Sign option in the toolbar. You can type your name, draw your signature using your mouse or touchpad, or upload an image of your signature. After creating your signature, click where you want it to appear in the document. You can resize and reposition it to fit perfectly within the signature field. Continue filling out any remaining sections of the document until everything is complete. Once you're satisfied with the document, click File and then Save to keep all of your changes. You can also share or send the signed document directly from Acrobat if needed. And that's it. You've successfully filled out and signed a document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for helpful Adobe Acrobat tips and guides.